That CRV right there probably has a K24 in it. That last one. What up, guys? We're hiding at Junkyard, and I just ran my fat ass all the way from the register. And oh, it's gone. Oh, it's still there? Hey, coil packs, fool. Yo, all-wheel drive or no?
Nope.
Front-wheel drive. So, got an email this morning. Got this car dropped in the yard. Rolled out of bed and shot straight over here. And on the way, I picked up my friend Alex, and he's gonna help me pull out this 5-speed all-wheel drive CRV transmission, boy. It's going down, boys. It is going down. So I never really spoke about what car I'm going to be building for the challenge. If you guys saw yesterday's video, I originally had the Del Sol, but I'm not 100% with the Del Sol because it's not my chassis to work with. I feel like I should stay true to myself and bring something to the table that I've always been doing to the channel. That's right. So we're gonna put you guys in the laps. We're gonna pull this shit out as fast as possible, get out of here. For like 45 minutes. So we got the transmission pulled off. I don't believe I need the half shaft, but we have the shift cable, the shifter. We also snagged the table and the starter, but hopefully they don't, you know, go too crazy with the price. I did bring a lot of money because I know it would be about $300 for everything. And I was going to get to that K24 CRV over there, but OG is already pulling the parts. So nonetheless, we got what we needed, and it's time to get on out of here. I figured I'd walk the yard real quick before we get out of here. But man, this thing is clean. Red, painted black. This is the one with the black interior. Dude, the interior is so clean. Dude. What?
Damn.
Dude.
Cherry.
Dude, it's clean. I know there was that one person that was hitting me up about getting black door panels for EF sedan. I'm not sure if I want to pull it out because of money wise, but there is a black door panel EF sedan here. If you guys don't know, the red model comes with all black interior, including the carpet. This thing's so mint. Oh my god, can't believe this car is here. Now let's get out of here. All right, guys, so we are obviously here back at the house, and today has been wonderful. So this morning I was rolling around in bed, contemplating about getting up and getting out here into the garage, but as soon as I got that email for the cars that come into the yard. There were several of them that I set for notification: EF, DCs, RSX, EM1s, and CRVs. So there was 3 of them. Some were Integras that, they're just basic Ellises. There was like 2 EFs that were like 60 miles away, and then there was a CRV one, which was the furthest yard driving distance for me here. It was an all-wheel drive, 5-speed. Boy, I've never got off that bed as fast as I did today. So I came out, packed all my tools into my mom's van because it's got AC. And then on my way over there, I picked up my buddy Alex. Thank you, Alex, for putting your side job on the side and coming with me to help pull this transmission out. We knocked it out in about 45 minutes and pulled it out without removing the B20 itself. So when we went up to the counter, I had the guy check it out and ring me up, and I ended up paying about $254, and that was what I was expecting to pay. So I brought $400 just in case. And we have an all-wheel drive B-series transmission. This is one of those cases where, like, for the price that I knew I was gonna pay, it's one of those where it's always nice to have. So I have a K-Series all-wheel drive transmission in the backyard, as well as an all-wheel drive single cam tranny that came out of my brother's car, and now we have a B-Series all-wheel drive tranny. I know I was supposed to talk about the car that I'm going to be using for the challenge, but I don't think I'm ready to let you guys know just yet, because I still have to stay on schedule. I still have to keep working on this car, and today's goal is to polish this car out. And I don't have the water hose there anymore. I don't know where it went, but I'm gonna use the bucket, rinse it down, wash it, rinse it down, and then I'm gonna get it all nice and clean. Do the same process I did with the CRX, clay bar, polish, and seal. I may possibly paint the front bumper as well, just to get it nice and uniform, so I'm not too worried about polishing that just yet. But at least the body, for the most part, I'm not too crazy with the swirl marks. I just want it to be a lot cleaner than what it is right here. So I'm just using a Harbor Freight kit that I had in the cabinet. This was used twice before, but I can still use it. It's not a big deal. And when I was at the junkyard earlier, when I came home and grabbed something to eat with my buddy, I forgot to go to Harbor Freight and pick up another package. It's really cheap. I'm just gonna use that. Works just fine. Kind of already did the fender. I don't know if you can see it, but the fender is nice and shiny again, opposed to the door. You see that? I didn't use the clay bar because this car was supposed to go a long time ago, but I'm just putting in extra hours to get it to look really good before I do sell the car. And the delete compound is actually a grainy compound that cuts while it polishes out, or while it cuts the paint. So it kind of acts like a sandpaper, except it doesn't scratch paint or nothing. It just takes off the top layer while polishing it out. And then after I finish using the delete compound throughout the whole car, I'm going to use the purple revive compound, and then I'm going to use the sealant that is also provided by Sudzbox, so you guys can check that out. I'll put the link to their website in the description below. And yeah, I'm not going to show you guys too much of the laps or process of doing so. If you guys want to check it out, I'll remember to put the cards up top for you guys to check it out. Oh guys, my apologies, y'all, and it's super dark. It is about 8:35, and I haven't even finished polishing the car with the delete compound. The only thing that's left is just this fender right here, and I'm not going to touch the front bumper because I may be you know, repainting it. But my buddy Action Bronson came by right here. Hey, so he came by, he got off of work and he figured, you know, he'll stop by here real quick since the parole officer said it's okay.
Oh man.
No, this girl said it was okay to come by and just hang out real quick, and he swung by and we were just chopping it up over there, checking out his fishing poles and stuff, because this man fishes and he also cook amazing food, bro. What's your Instagram? Let me show some quick pictures real quick. Because this car just... Oh, that's,
look,
that's my
was
Instagram.
your page. Let's see here.
Bro, look at that.
Let me
show some good stuff.
what
Carnivore Joe, you changed your name again? That's probably why I couldn't find you, bro.
See?
Oh my god. Every time I see it...
What do you want to see? The fish?
He does fishing. The one with the crazy teeth. Show him the tractor. Where's that one?
That one?
Bro. If you guys want to give him a follow, Carnivore _ Joe. This guy cooks just like Action Bronson. And every time I see his Instagram post on my feed, I lick my phone, bro, because I'm trying to taste the shit that he's cooking.
I'm gonna make you one. I'm gonna bring it. I'm gonna bring it for you,
bro. So anyways, Joe came by and we were checking out some of his fishing poles, and I may have some fishing content coming up soon. He's going to take me to some places after I get my license and stuff, because we've been meaning to do it and kind of bring something a little different to the channel. And I've always been a fisherman myself too, but like, you know, the last couple of years I bought license and nobody ever went out with me, so I kind of stopped buying license and not going fishing. But this time around, Joe is going to show me some of his spots, some techniques, and I'm going to have to go find my bait caster and bring that sucker back out. Yo, check out that. Oh my god, boy. Look at that shit. It's bigger than your head, bro. God damn, Chumley. I'm just playing. You guys' comments were hilarious. He read it and he had a good laugh out of it as well.
I was dying, guys.
He was dying, guys. That
Well, it's not the first time I've heard it, so.
Oh man. So yeah, we're gonna have some fishing content coming up soon. Hopefully a week or two from now. No rush.
We'll
But
get you on some fish.
He's gonna get me on some fish, so I'm looking forward to that, most definitely. But like I said, you live like a good 30 minutes or so from me, so we were kind of hanging out.
80, you know, yeah.
Doing like 80. So we're just hanging out a little bit, and I lost track of time, but I don't know if I got some pictures. If I do, I'll show it to you guys, but I just want to quickly give you guys a glimpse here. That's how it looked before. This is how it looks now. The car is super like clear in the paint now, and the darkness shows no justice. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this fender right here, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the revive today or whatever, but again, I don't want to show you guys too much of the process because I've done it millions of times on the channel. But just so you guys know, we are correcting the paint on this car and getting it to look really good before I sell it. So I'm gonna finish this up.
Let me steal this for a second. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this has to be the cutest little chair in the world.
Oh, they know about the midget chair, bro.
If any one of you guys finds this on Amazon, make sure you tell Dana so I can buy one.
Hey.
One for each butt cheek, at least.
It only fits one of my butt cheeks, so as long as I'm comfortable, we're good. But yeah, let's finish up this car real quick, and then we'll close out this video, guys. So guys, we lost power to the house and the whole block, and I can't see a damn thing. I don't know if you guys can see anything either. Well, obviously not, because we ain't got no light. So that means we're gonna end the video now. I can't finish polishing up the car because it's too goddamn dark to do so. Plus the skunks are out, and I don't want to be out here in the dark because some creepy ass motherfucker could be standing behind me and I wouldn't even know it. But we are going to clean up right now. Joe's about to head out as well, so we will continue polishing, sealing the car tomorrow. I apologize that I didn't get to show you guys the end result, but I can assure you guys that you will see the end result of the paint correction tomorrow. And you know, with that being said, I hope you guys are looking forward to some different type of content. Me and Joe are going to go fishing real soon with his girl, so I'm looking forward to that as well. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, So with that being said, guys, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.